As usual, my people, Lagos drama no dey finish. Every day na different cruise. This one now, my people, it just happen now. Say Lasma can't get problem with driver. You know how those people always dey behave every time. So as they come dey drag issue, the driver come sit down inside him car say he wan drive off. Lasma just dey there dey persist say you no dey go anywhere. Open this door, wind down. In fact, different wahala. As the driver dey try, because the driver plan be saying go just take off, move. As this driver dey try speed, like dey find way so that he go run. My people, nobody even know say policeman dey behind the car. Now so this driver just hit policeman. Wah! He no just hit am o. Where they dey na bridge. The policeman come fly, come reach under bridge. I mean, my people, make una join me, make we watch the video.
You no go fit go. Hey! Break up. We thank God,
Sometimes I just like, you know, understand the way all these law enforcement people they behave. Now wetin dey make some drivers do some kind things. I dey tell una serious matter, because now if una see this one na because it just happen like that. If we look into this matter, una go see say this last man are dey at fault. Every day harassment, every day taking. See, they use this their title. They disturb everybody head. I still dey laugh. You see that down bridge? Thank God say person been dey there. If not, this policeman now for don't die. If for don't die, no be una no see the height of the whole bridge. Thank God say person dey there. Even though these police people say this, especially this one way for inside that place, you no even deserve am. You no deserve the help where they help am, because person dey there, you go help am. But thank God say they help you, bros. Even though you no deserve am, read my lips. Una no even deserve any good this thing from citizens as I dey talk to una like this. Because if we start to measure all the things wey una don make us go through for this country, in fact, they even suppose, if now we be God, as you dey fall like that, we even suppose dry that river. If not for that river, if you don't die, we for dry am up, make it just be cement. But see am, now still we save you. Tomorrow now you go come outside and they collect bribe, they harass people, they look for phone, they do all these ones. But see now, you are breathing, you can see with your Apollo eyes. My brother, Mr. Driver, this case now, I don't dey pan on top this case since. The only thing where they come my head, we say you go suffer. No, now they serious. So because see, now only God fit just save this man. Now only God fit just do something. If not, 600 years. In fact, I dey sure say 600 years in prison sef go small for you. The way these people go, they go use you chop. They go chop on top your matter. You yourself, you go just wish say, as they tell you, make you stop that period, you stop. Just imagine. Stop, you no stop. Yeah, I drive, person don't fall. All this matter now, you go meet DPO, una go settle, and before they even lock you up, my brother, just start to get ready your account, because they go first collect money from you. Even if nothing do that police, why go come they lie, say damages in hand, in leg, in this one. See, I don't know if make I even laugh, I be make I even cry concerning this matter. But the truth be say, see, this driver, he just get new name. He add new name to his name. Him name na wahala. Na your new name wey you just add. I don't know how they call you, but wahala just enter your name now. Make we try dey careful. Make we try dey very careful, because as una see me like this, anything wey go make me speak English this year, I dey avoid am. English, I no want anything wey go just bring one English matter. I dey avoid am. Very serious, because now, even though I no dey like wetin the driver do, say he dey try run, I no like am, I no support am. But at the same time, because I no dey feel sorry for any policeman. I no know wetin I wan tell you, but me, I no talk say I wish make he die, but I just dey talk say I no dey feel sorry for am, for this particular situation. Because if you look inside this matter now, you go come find out say wetin the police dey do there. Lasma and driver, na two of them get this matter. Police now come. If you can't check am now, you go come be say na bribery you can't check, na money you can't look for. Who call you inside this people case? Who call you? You no go pass bribe. Now so they go poke nose inside people matter. Even the one where they not call you, they go, no, this one na small. This one will just happen to you na small. From after you recover this one, next time if you see two people sef wey dey fight, you go just learn to dey mind your business. And I hope say this one don teach your fellow police people. Na so you almost lose your life because of 100 naira. All of una wey be police, also una don learn from this one. If una see lasma with driver, leave them. When drivers reach una side, una checkpoint, you fit deal with them. Now why each of you get una position? Wetin concern beans inside egusi biko? Make I first know. Nobody go tell you anything next time. You go learn by force. Because I remember that period when SARS officials they chase all the young boys, and I remember all those stories where they happen now, where they shoot anyhow they do. SARS officials they kill citizens anyhow that period. If they tell you make you stop, you no stop, you drive. Many matters happen. They shoot them. Wetin police do? They no do anything. They no even look inside this matter. For now to see say karma. Karma is real. If I be you, Mr. Officer, go back to that river where you fall inside there. Go kneel down, they thank your God and they thank that river. If not, now another story for the talk now. My brother, just I don't even know which advice we fit even give this driver now, because no matter the advice wey I go give am, I no say this one na wahala, and na wahala no be lie. So my brother, see, my own be say just pray and make sure say you endure anything wey go come your way, because normally you be another one. No even know who send you, make you go the over. Abeg, my people, na the matter be this. When they come away, you get drop her for that comment section. I go reply on a one by one, and make sure say you na share this video so that all those police, all of us, they go learn from wetin happen now. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell. If not, you go dey miss everything when we drop. I dey here for now. Stay tuned for the next story.